In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a watch list on investing.com. A watch list is one of the most useful features on investing.com because it allows you to keep track of the financial instruments that matter most to you. Instead of searching for the same assets every time you visit the platform, you can add them to a personalized watch list and monitor their performance from one convenient location. To get started, open investing.com and access your account. Once you're signed in, look for the watch list in the main navigation menu or your account dashboard. If you haven't created a watch list before, you'll usually be prompted to create your first one. Rename your watch list first. Choose a name that helps you identify its purpose, such as long-term investments, technology stocks, cryptocurrencies, or any other category you prefer. Once it's ready, you can begin adding financial instruments. To add an asset, use the search bar at the top of the page, or you can use the dedicated search bar for adding watch list. Enter the name or ticker symbol of the stock, ETF, cryptocurrency, currency pair, commodity, or index you'd like to follow. As matching results appear, select the correct asset to open its market page. You can just simply click the asset to add it to your watch list, or on the assets page, look for the Add to Watch List button, which is often represented by a star icon. Click or tap this option, then choose the watch list you want to add the asset to. The instrument will immediately be saved to your selected watch list. Repeat the same process for any additional assets you want to monitor. You can build a watch list with a variety of financial instruments, making it easier to keep everything organized in one place. Once you've added your assets, return to the watch list section to view them together. Here, you'll typically see important information such as the latest price, daily percentage change, and other market data. Depending on the platform version, you may also be able to sort your watch list, rearrange items, or remove assets that you no longer want to follow. As your investment interests change, you can continue updating your watch list by adding new assets or removing existing ones. And that's it. That's how to create a watch list on investing.com.